For years, changing your Gmail address meant creating a brand new account and moving everything manually. But now, Google is rolling out a feature that lets many users change their Gmail address without losing emails, photos, YouTube subscriptions, Drive files, or other Google data. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it on your Android phone and your PC or computer. Let's get started. Go to your Gmail app, then tap your profile icon, then select Manage your Google account. Wait for your account page to load. At the top, you'll see several tabs, including Home, Personal Info, Data and Privacy, and Security. Tap Personal Info to continue, because that's where Google places your account email settings. Tap Email, then select Google Account Email. If your account has received Google's new update, you'll see an option called Change Google Account Email. If you don't see this option, don't worry. Google is releasing the feature gradually, so it may not be available for every account yet. Leave the comment you country, and I will let you know when it will be released. Tap Change Google Account Email. Google will ask you to verify your identity before allowing any changes. Depending on your security settings, you may need to enter your password, confirm a verification code, or use your fingerprint or face unlock. This extra step helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. Now scroll down and tap here Username option. Then enter the new Gmail address you'd like to use. Google will immediately check whether it's available. If someone else is already using it, you'll need to choose another name. Once you find an available address, tap Next to continue. Double-check the spelling, because this will become your new primary Gmail address after the change is complete. Google will display a summary explaining what will happen after you change your Gmail address. Your emails, Google Photos, Drive files, YouTube subscriptions, and other account data remain the same. Your previous Gmail address becomes an alternate address, and you can still receive email sent to it. Carefully read the information, then tap Confirm to complete the change. After the update finishes, return to your Google account page. Your new Gmail address should now appear as your primary account email. Your messages, contacts, calendar events, photos, and files should all remain available because the account itself hasn't changed. Only the email address has. Now let me show you with PC or computer. Open your web browser and go to your Google account page. Then you'll see the Google account dashboard. On the left side of the page, click Personal Info. This section contains your profile details and account email settings. Scroll down until you find Contact Info, then click Email. Next, click Google Account Email. If the feature has reached your account, you'll see Change Google Account Email. If the option isn't available, your account may still be waiting for the rollout. Google is enabling the feature gradually across different users and regions. Click Change Google Account Email. Google will ask you to verify your identity before continuing. Enter your password and complete any additional security checks, such as two-step verification, if they're enabled. This ensures that only you can change your account's primary email address. Type the new Gmail address you want to use. Google will check whether it's available. If it's already taken, you'll need to choose another address. Once you find an available one, click Next. Review the new address carefully before moving forward to avoid choosing the wrong username. Google will explain what happens after the update. Your account data stays exactly the same, including Gmail messages, Drive files, photos, YouTube history, and purchases. Your previous Gmail address becomes an alternate email, and messages sent to it will still reach your inbox. Click Confirm to finish changing your primary Gmail address. Refresh your Google account page, and confirm that your new Gmail address is now listed as your primary email. Open Gmail and sign in if requested. If you use your Google account on other devices, some apps may ask you to sign in again using the new address. Everything else, including your data, should remain unchanged. And that's how you can change your Gmail address on both Android and PC without losing your Google data. If the option isn't visible yet, don't worry, Google is still rolling it out to users, so check back later. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.